In this demo clip, we will show how to use WAPT to perform load testing of a website. We will use a web forum as an example. Our work starts with creating a test scenario. WAPT has a special wizard for this, comprising of 5 simple steps. For your convenience, you can also edit the recording options as well. We will emulate 2 types of virtual users in our test. One will only browse the forum, and another one will post topics. For each step, we need to create a virtual user profile. Let's do this to the writers first. We'll launch the recorder and enter the website address. Now we should perform all the actions of the users whose behavior we want to emulate. WAPT adds to the profile all HTTP requests generated as a result of our activity. Now we are logging into the website. And creating a new topic. It will be a simple test topic with the title and body text. We will also add a new reply to the created topic. After that, we check that everything is in place. Now we're done. Sign out and stop the recorder. Let's save our scenario. All current profiles, and we have only one for now, are saved at the same time. Now we have a sequence of HTTP requests that constitutes the recorded session. Let's select one request in the left view. On the Properties tab, we can see the list of parameters of the selected request. Now we want to make our virtual users log in on the different accounts. We will make the username parameter dynamic. For that, we will use the orderedList function. This way we can have 10 different users writing topics. Let's make sure that on the next step the newly created topic is selected to add a reply. We can see that the link to the topic contains its name and ID, which will be different in each session. The server provides new ID every time. Let's find it in the previous response. We select the text tree to see the raw page content and search it for the initially recorded ID. It can be found in a number of places, including a hidden field of an HTML form contained on the page. WAPT has already created a variable for it automatically. So we only need to use it. We will simply insert it in the proper field. Let's check other requests. We see that many values have been parameterized automatically. Now we will show you how it works. We are going to verify the test. This will be done by executing one full user session with our profile. During verification, we can see the report. It contains the website reply codes and other information. If we had any errors, we would need to fix our profile before launching a test with it. For each reply code, we see the number of pages and page elements returned with that code. Now let's take a look at the profile execution log. It is very useful for checking if a profile works correctly. We can see that our topic was created successfully, and that our reply was added to the right topic. Now let's record a different profile for a user that will only read topics. We start recording, edit the recording options, and then we will perform several reading actions. When we are done, we press stop recording. We can make different virtual users browse different forums and read different topics. In order to do this, we can select a random forum from the page containing the list of them. Let's find links to available forums. We can use the search function to extract one link. With the help of this function, we can randomize the choice. Let's check that our function works correctly. Let's use our variable in the next request. Now we apply the same approach to open a random topic. Let's find links to topics inside the forum. We can create a new variable with the help of the search command. Boundaries can be manually adjusted so that more links would match. Zero index means random occurrence. We use the created variable in the next request. Now we add the loop operator to make our user read 3 different random topics. Let's save our scenario and see how our profile works. As usual, you can see the progress and the response codes. Now let's take a look at the profile execution log. We can see that our loop was executed 3 times. Our virtual user selected a random forum and a random topic.